problems with the website.
Yeah.
It could be that some of the analytics are off. It could be that the attribution's off. Sometimes I tend to see budgets misallocated for that particular industry or for that particular type of brand. It's all over the place. It depends on really who's running it. It could be an agency that is, running with sort of goals that are just not as efficient as they need to be with the dollars, and they've kind of put a veil on performance in such a way that the client either doesn't understand what's actually happening, or the expectations between what they should be delivering and what the client's initial expectations were set to be are off. Like, I mean, just put simply, like you'll step in and there'll be an agency, a performance marketing agency that is touting that like 2x on Meta is amazing. Like, for instance, if we're talking about like an e-commerce client or consumer tech or something like that, or that the cost per leads that they're reporting on are somewhat efficient, and in a reality they're not when you look at industry benchmarks. So the just the view of the world is completely off, and there's not some like foundational things in place. Like, for instance, just benchmarking yourself against the industry of competitors.
Katie, what do your clients normally not see or know about or understand?